Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of Prestige Group new launch project named as the Prestige City, located in Indrapuram Extension near Noida Electronic City Metro Station, Ghaziabad. In this video, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, amenities, area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. The Prestige City will be constructed on a land parcel of 63 acres consisting of Prestige Mall and 23 residential towers consisting of ground plus 41 to 50 story having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK duplex and penthouse residences. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Indrapuram Extension near Noida Electronic City Metro Station with bang on Delhi Meerut Expressway just 1 minute and Noida Electronic City Metro Station at 3 minutes. Shipra Mall at a distance of 5 minutes, Delhi Public School at a distance of 7 minutes and Fortis Hospital at a distance of 15 minutes from the project. Talking about the amenities, this project has 50 plus luxurious amenities having 1 lakh square feet of clubhouse, swimming pool and massive green park, a luxurious gymnasium, kids play area, a multi-purpose court, also having squash court and many more. This project has 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 4 BHK, duplex and penthouse residences with 2 BHK in the area of 1301 square feet, 3 BHK area ranging between 1681 and 2262 square feet, 4 BHK area ranging between 2490 and 2910 square feet, duplex and penthouse ranging in the area of 3625 and 6026 square feet. Talking about the booking process, the booking windows will open soon. Till then, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will explain the project details along with the 3D model, will explain the plans and pricing of the project and will also show you the sample flat. And then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 10 lakhs. The token amount will have multiple benefits like exclusive launch discounts. All the token holders will get exclusive discounts over and above others. They will also get preference in flat selection. All the token holders will be called first to choose their respective flats. The token will be 100% refundable. It means if the client doesn't want to continue for any reason, they will be returned the 100% token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of Prestige Group new launch, the Prestige City, located in Indrapuram Extension near Noida Electronic City Metro Station, Ghaziabad. At last, don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such teaser videos.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.